Hello guys, I hope you're all doing great. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create user and how to delete user using CMD on Windows. Are you ready? Let's get started. Open your CMD, type CMD and run as administrator, okay? And then I have the comment on Notepad, okay? So type net user and the name of the user. It could be anything. You can type your name or anything. So I will type, for example, uh, John, the name of the user, and the password, for example, test123, okay, and space add. So that's you can create user using CMD on Windows. As you can see, it says the user is already exist. Let's change the name of the user. For example, John2. As you can see, the command has been completed successfully. So the user has been created. Now I will show you how to delete the user. Net user and the name of the user. Let's delete the name of the user by the name of John. Okay, and delete. As you can see, I deleted the user by the name of the John. I can also delete the this user that I created, for example, John2, and delete. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, just drop them in the comment section. See you next video.